Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to connect to Ford Escape Bluetooth. Put your phone into Bluetooth pairing mode and open the Sync phone menu. Tap Add a device on the sync screen, then confirm the PIN shown on both your phone and the vehicle display. Once paired, set your phone as the primary device for calls and media. I'll walk through troubleshooting tips if the connection drops or does not appear. Start by pressing the phone icon on the Ford Escape Sync display and selecting Add a device. On your phone, find Ford Sync in the Bluetooth list and tap it to start pairing. Confirm the numeric PIN matches on both screens and accept any prompts to allow contacts and messages to sync. After pairing, test a call and play a song to confirm both phone and media audio route correctly through the car. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep making clear car tech guides. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice and enjoy a crisp, clean scent on every drive. It pairs nicely with a fresh commute after syncing your phone. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. If pairing fails, first toggle Bluetooth on your phone and try again. Small resets often fix detection problems. Remove old devices from the sync stored device list to free slots and avoid conflicts. If audio or calls drop, restart your phone and cycle the vehicle's ignition to reset sync. For persistent issues, check your phone's Bluetooth software updates and consult the vehicle manual for sync version-specific guidance to resolve compatibility quirks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.